Especially in the last 10, 12 years, as China also started to develop more and more international hotels, we also started to develop very fast. And you can find Kempinski hotels in our days in many provincial capitals. We have a joint venture here in China. Our joint venture partner is called BTG, Beijing Tourism Group. As we have a very smooth cooperation with them after opening this hotel and opening many new other Kempinskis in China, we thought about we should have a brand with a Chinese DNA. So, and that is when we started to think about a Chinese brand. Norjin is the Chinese name, Norjin Hotels, what has a very strong Chinese DNA from the old dynasties. So Xiong'an, as you know, is a new future city, very close to Beijing in the Hebei province, very close to the Daqing International Airport, one of the newest, biggest airport in the world. And that's where we're going to have a beautiful Kempinski hotel as well, with over 400 rooms, and we're also going to have service apartments. We are very proud to be in China. We should be better here, and we must be here, because China overall is a future country. As we say in German, that's where the music plays. The German economy last year invested a lot of money again into China, because Germany as well sees China as one of the most strategic investment countries. That is where you see the future. You know, the economy hotels are growing very fast, and they have very nice products. And the digital world is where the young people are shopping in. And that is where we as luxury hotels have to speed up, have to invest more money, that we can get more from the cake. We are looking very optimistic into the year 2025 because it can just always get better and better.